Hi friends, what have you noticed in the previous picture? Water logged under a culvert. And this stagnant water will help to germinate microorganisms. And these microorganisms lead to the infection. Infection to the people who are staying near to that culvert are the people who are passing through that culvert. Namaste to all. I am Om Prakash, a yoga therapist and a psychologist. So why I was explaining this? My dear friends, we are very close to enter into the rainy season. In this rainy season, flu and cold are very common. If you are neglecting, that flu and cold lead to sinus. So what exactly going to happen during the sinus? I was trying to explain with this previous example. In our face, we have total 4 sinus cavities. Here we have 2 and 1 pair, left as well as right, and here we have 2. So the job of this sinus cavities is to produce mucus, and this mucus travel from this sinus cavity to the nostrils, and this mucus helps to keep the nostrils wet. If these nostrils are wet, then only we can inhale pure oxygen or the pure air. The job of this mucus is to absorb the dust particles which are present in the air. So the pure filtered air will enter into the lungs. If our nostrils are dry, absence of wetness, direct dust particle will enter into the lungs along with the air. So my dear friends, in this common cold and flu, what happens is that this sinus cavity walls are blocked, and more mucus is blocked in this sinus cavity. So the same happens what I have shown you in the previous example. So this leads to inflammation in this area, and sometimes it leads to headache also. So what is the reason for this excess mucus production, and how can we save ourselves from this sinus? There are friends, there are people who are suffering with this sinus for decades together, my dear friends. So it is very simple. If you know the root cause of this, solution will be very easy. So in my next video, I am going to tell you what are the reasons for the excess production of mucus and how can we control the excess production of mucus. Till then, take care, wear a mask, maintain social distance and use sanitizer. Bye.